If you're ever in need of more storage space, floating shelves are the perfect solution. Utilizing wall space with floating shelving can help you maximize your decor potential, even more so than traditional shelves, since they don't require any floor space. Plus, they're totally eye-catching and offer a more sleek and clean look since the mounting hardware is typically hidden. To help you find the best floating shelves, here's everything you need to know about finding the right one and our top picks. Number 1. Best Wood Floating Shelves. This shelf set is handmade, making its rustic design truly authentic. Each shelf can hold 20 pounds of your favorite decor. These shelves are available in 4 different stains and 3 different lengths, so you can find the pair that fits your exact style. Detailed instructions guide for easy installation without the need for a power drill. Instead, the wall anchor brackets can go through sheetrock with a screwdriver and be completely hidden. The brackets are powder-coated to prevent rust. This rustic and handmade set of wood floating shelves creates a fantastic farmhouse touch to a home. If you don't mind the installation, you'll enjoy the finished look of these pretty wood shelves. Number 2. OMYSA Boho Wall Hanging Shelves. These pinewood shelves come in 3 colors. Each shelf has a 15-pound weight limit, but can be arranged in 4 different ways to accommodate your home. The minimalist design will look nice in most homes. With an easy 3-step assembly, you can get them on the wall quickly. These minimalist wood shelves add rustic style to your home. They're perfect for displaying your favorite small decor pieces, but won't support heavy items. The shelves are easy to assemble and can be up soon after unpacking the box, making it an easy decorating project. Display your favorite plants, pictures, and boho decor in style. Comes with a set of 2 wall-hanging shelves providing enough space so you can showcase the things you love and care about. Number 3. Befayoo Floating Shelves for Wall. 100% real wood and metal frame. Make good use of your empty place and enjoy a classic house style. Organize your photos, books and magazines on this decorative wall shelf. Updated your bathroom, living room and bedroom decor. Designed with solid Paulownia wood and iron metal frame, the decorative wall shelf can not only be an organizer, but also suit for your house decor. 3 tiers design. More space allows you to put more items on the shelf, displaying your little plants, books, photo frames, CDs, toys and other accessories. Durable and easy to install. Size 50 by 17.5 by 50 cm. These wall shelves are sturdier than competitors' options. We provided all the mounting screws and expansion tubes. You can just follow the instructions and mount this shelf in a few minutes. Number 4. 24-inch Floating Shelves Wall-Mounted Set of 3. As a leading designer, manufacturer and supplier of practical and beautiful home decor products, Gift Garden is dedicated to providing the excellent products and quality service. We are specialized in wall and tabletop picture frames, wall shelves, craftworks. Shop and look for crafted and stylish products to enhance and decorate your home or office space. Wood grain design. Rustic wood grain design make the wall mount shelf look stylish all while conserving space for home or office. The wall shelving will be your ideal choice for holding picture frames, collections, decorations. Space saving. 3-pack floating wall shelves provide enough wall storage space for small pieces, plants, collections, books in your bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room or office. Excellent addition to the blank wall. The rustic wood appearance let the shelf for wall add great touch to the wall and home space. The wall shelves have good load-bearing capacity. The protective obstruct is a plus, preventing items from falling off. Number 5. 16-inch Dark Walnut Rustic Solid Wood Shelves Set. Dark walnut floating shelves made of solid wood, a set of 2 floating shelves with the same size, smooth panel, high quality, sturdy and durable. Wall-mounted shelves not only looks very beautiful, but is strong enough to hold heavy objects. You can use it like a bookshelf, and it will create a nice bookshelf organizer wall. Please rest assured to order. Solid wood structure, light and strong, easy to install, very simple and classic design. The hanging accessories adopt a reinforced design, which can easily fix the shelf on the wall. Picture ledge shelf with non-slip groove panel, designed. The hanging shelves for wall also can be placed in toilet as bathroom shelves to receive toiletries above toilet storage. The functional wall shelf can be turned into a display shelf, bedroom wall decor, bookshelves for wall and so on. Very suitable for displaying photo frames, flower pots and decorative candles. Use it as a space-saving bookshelves in the study, as a spice rack in the kitchen, or as a bathroom shelves to store toiletries. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.